Welcome to another quick and easy tech guide. In today's video, we're diving into the latest WhatsApp web update and learning how to start receive media directly from your computer. Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, this new feature makes organizing your favorite files faster and simpler than ever before. Let's get things started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by heading to the WhatsApp website and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're in, you'll see your usual chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the media icon located in the left side menu. This icon looks like a small square with a mountain or image inside it. It's where all your received media files are neatly stored. From here, choose media to browse through all the images, videos, and other files that have been shared with you across different chats. When you found the section you want, click on the sort icon at the top of the window. This button lets you organize your media more effectively. From the sorting options, choose Others. This category filters your received files, helping you focus on the specific type of content you want to manage. Now comes the best part. Click on the Select icon at the top of the screen to enable selection mode. Once you're in this mode, it's time to select all the media you want to store. You can pick one item, several, or even entire collections. It's completely up to you. After selecting, click on the star icon at the top of the window. And that's it. All the media you selected will now be starred, making it easier to find them later without endless scrolling. Starring your media helps you keep track of important images, so funny videos, or documents you'll want to access quickly in the future. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to star your received media on WhatsApp Web with this new update. Try it out today and keep your digital space organized like a pro.